Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So in this video I'm going to be doing some extreme decluttering and organizing and cleaning in my house, so I hope that you enjoy. The two rooms that I'll be focusing on in this video is the closet in my office and then the closets in our master bedroom, and I also need to do some deep cleaning in our master bedroom. So I hope that this video can give you lots of motivation and inspiration if you're needing to do some decluttering and organizing in your home. I hope that you enjoy this video. In the previous video on my channel, we gave this room, which is my office, a makeover. We did an accent wall, furnished the room and everything. So now the final step in this room, I wanted to get this closet completely decluttered and organized. In this closet, I keep supplies for filming YouTube videos. I've got my box light, my camera stands, my tripod, different things like that. My Cricut in there for if I'm doing organizing. I keep my cello case in here. And then everything else in this closet is basically home decor, because with what I do filming YouTube videos, I film a decorating video about every other week. We're constantly doing room makeovers and projects, different things like that, so I switch up my decor quite often. So I like to keep a little storage of home decor in this closet. When I do switch things up in the house, I like to hang on to things that I want to use for future projects, and then I can just come to this closet, see what I already have for decorating and for projects and makeovers before I go and buy something new. But it can get a little crazy in this closet sometimes, like you're seeing here in this video. So I just like to come in this closet every couple of months and pull everything out, go through it all, see what I want to keep, what I want to donate, what I want to sell, and so I'll just stack those things in different piles. I have a keep pile, a donate pile, and then a sell pile. And if I have several home decor items that are the same style, it's usually easier to just sell them in a bundle. And I do give things to family as well. I'm giving a rug to my sister-in-law. I just gave a desk to my mother-in-law. So everything that I'm not keeping finds a new home one way or another. I also wanted to list this white dresser for sale. I don't have a spot for it in the house. It's not really my style anymore. I think I've had this since I was about 16 or 17. Jalen carried that out to the living room and we're going to take pictures of that and sell it, but I replaced it with this smaller one that has the big cloth bins, so I can fit more in these and it'll just be better for storing home decor. What originally prompted me to clean out this closet was because I needed to get out my bin of maternity clothes, which is in that pink tub right there. And then I also wanted to get out what baby stuff I had stored in this closet, because I need to start gathering together what baby stuff I have left. When we moved twice in 1 year, I got rid of basically all of my baby stuff. I do have a bin of baby clothes, I've got a pack and play, and a couple of other little things, but that's pretty much it. So I need to do a little bit of shopping for the baby, but I'm gonna wait a little while for that. But I wanted to go ahead and start gathering together what I had, and it was time to pull out that bin of maternity clothes. I'm going to go through all of that and see what I'm going to keep to use this time and then what I'll be donating. Let me know down in the comments, what is one space in your house that you really want to get decluttered and organized right now. This closet was definitely at the top of my list, and so is my bedroom closet that we're going to get organized here in a little bit. Both me and my husband have just really been in the mood lately to declutter and organize, get rid of stuff, sell things, donate. We both are kind of the same way, where we prefer more minimal, like we'd rather have our house minimal than have it really cluttered, because we both enjoy having an organized and a clean space. So now everything that I'm going to keep here, I'm organizing back into the closet. All of the smaller home decor items and the blankets and the greenery, I organized into these bins right here, just so it would be easier when I'm trying to pick out decor for a video or a project, just to open up the bins and I can see everything that I have. And then the frames and the canvases, things like that, I'm putting over here on the right side of the closet. I put baskets, different stuff like that up on the top shelf. Okay, so now the closet is complete, and I'm just giving you an overview of how I have everything organized in here. Once I finish decluttering and organizing a space like this, it always feels like a weight off of my shoulders to have it organized and to have gotten rid of some items out of the closet. At the end of this video, I'll show you everything that I'm going to be selling and donating. My office finally feels complete now that the closet is decluttered and organized. So now we're gonna head over to the master bedroom. This room needs cleaned, dusted. My closet needs a good declutter and organize. But first, I had folded all of the laundry here last night, so I needed to get this all put away. I'm getting the last of the clothes put away in the dresser here, and then I'm going to start going through all of my clothes that are here in the dresser, see what all I can get rid of. I don't wear half of my clothes, honestly, and so I just was in the mood to just get rid of a lot of my clothes. I also need to make room for some more maternity clothes. And this dresser right here and our nightstands we purchased from Living Spaces. I'll have the link for those down below. We're still loving these. We got them back when we did our bedroom makeover. I'm going to do some dusting in here. We've been working on our master bathroom, and at one point we were sanding down the drywall at certain spots, and we had plastic up on the doorway just so that the dust didn't get out into the hallway and the bedroom, but the plastic blew up at one point during the sanding and a bunch of dust went out into the bedroom, and so all of the surfaces out here just needed to be dusted. And then I'm going to clean out my closet. It had gotten really messy in there, a lot of stuff stacked on the floor. I needed to go through my clothes, and I had a garbage bag of clothes sitting on the floor in my closet that I had been collecting to sell and donate, so I needed to go through all of that as well and get it separated out. There is no curtain rod or curtain hanging up in this window because we had just done the office makeover, and I wanted to try the Amazon curtains that I had in my bedroom over in the office to see if I would like them in there before I ordered them. And we did like them in there, so we just left them in there and ordered a new set for this window right here in the master bedroom. They were on sale over Prime Day, and I forgot to share that over on my Instagram that they were on sale, but I did get them for a really good deal. And my wallpaper is also off the wall over here in this cubby because one day the other day, I think about a week ago, it just randomly fell off the wall, and I couldn't stick it back up because when it fell off, it all kind of stuck to each other in just like this big crumpled up heap at the bottom. So I just ended up having to throw all that away. It's really hard to put wallpaper on our walls that we have just because they do have a slight texture to them. So we'll have to do a different type of accent on this back wall here. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do yet, but this area over here in the corner will be where we keep all of the baby's items because it will be in our room for the first 5 months. had a few bins of bathroom items stored down here on the floor in my closet, but I did order a vanity for our bathroom finally. That'll be here in about 2 weeks. I went ahead and moved those bins over to the closet beside the bathroom for now, just until we get that vanity here, and then I can get everything organized back in there. And then I quickly reorganized the top shelf of my closet, and now my closet is all organized again. It feels so good to have this completed and that I can finally walk in here on the floor again, because before there was so much stuff stacked on the floor that I could hardly walk in here. And here I'm showing you everything that I'm getting rid of after today's decluttering. This brown ottoman, I might hang on to this for future projects. I'm not quite sure if I'm selling that yet, but I just have it sitting over here with the items. But everything else that you see here, I will be selling or donating, so it feels good to be getting so many items out of the house. Now I'm just going to finish dusting our bedroom, make the bed, and then vacuum the floor. Like I had said before, this little nook in here is going to be the nook for all of the baby stuff. I'm going to keep the clothes and the bassinet, everything like that will be here in this corner. We might do a little accent wall behind there or something, we'll see. But for now, I'm just stacking what baby items I have in here, just trying to collect them all in one spot so I can keep track of what I have and what I still need to get. And that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you some motivation and inspiration if you need to organize and declutter some areas in your home. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye!